The 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX key fob uses a CR232 battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. First, locate the seam on the fob opposite the metal key blade. Gently insert the screwdriver into the seam and pry open the plastic case. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid cracking the case. Using a towel underneath can help catch any small parts that may fall out. Once open, pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation. Usually the positive side is facing up. Place the new CR2032 battery into the fob in the same orientation as the old one, ensuring it makes good contact with the terminals. Snap the case back together until it is firmly closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. The typical range should be 50 to 100 feet. If the fob doesn't work, try reprogramming it by cycling the ignition key. Turn to on-off positions 8 times or consult a mechanic. Be sure to dispose of the old battery responsibly. You can purchase a CR2032 battery online or at most auto parts stores for under $5.